guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1968 through 72 GM A-body windshield moldings by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. These are available for both coupe and convertibles. These come in a 3 or 4 piece set to fit your needs. Our 3-piece kit comes with the upper windshield molding and side windshield moldings, while our 4-piece kit includes the lower windshield molding. These are roll form and die stamped with stainless steel to identical factory specifications for perfect fit and finish. Correctly formed ends allow for a smooth installation as each piece slides into place. In the final phase of being manufactured, every molding is polished to perfection to give it that mirror-like finish. To complete your kit, don't forget to purchase your windshield molding clips that are available separately. We've used these kits on several of our in-house show cars, including our 1970 442, 1970 Chevelle SS, 1972 El Camino SS, and matching 1972 Chevelle SS. Several years later, and they all still look brand new like they just came out of the box. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.